As per the most recent long gibber conjecture, Ethereum cost will hit $4,000 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $5,000 by the center of 2027. Ethereum will ascend to $6,000 inside the jabber period of 2030, $7,000 in 2033, and $8,000 in 2036. About Jabber, Ethereum is an open-source blockchain framework that generally expands the idea of blockchain past its unique jabber with digital forms of money like Bitcoin. Presented in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a group of engineers, Ethereum is planned as a decentralized stage that empowers shrewd agreements and circulated applications, dApps, to be constructed and worked with next to no margin time, jabber, control, or obstruction from an outsider. At its center, Ethereum's gibber advancement lies in its utilization of brilliant agreements. Shrewd agreements are self-executing contracts, with the particulars of the arrangement straightforwardly composed into lines of gibber. These agreements naturally uphold and gibber the provisions of the understanding in view of predefined rules, without the requirement for middle people. This capacity has opened up an immense range of utilizations, from the production of decentralized finance, DeFi gibber, that proposition loaning, getting, and exchanging administrations without the requirement for customary monetary delegates, to the formation of decentralized independent associations, DOAs, that work in view of aggregate decision production of their individuals without unified administration. Ethereum likewise presented the idea of a programmable blockchain, where designers can make their own gibber of any intricacy, consequently empowering the formation of different decentralized applications. This is worked with by Ethereum's local programming language, robustness, which jabber designers to compose savvy contracts and send them on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's importance lies in its digital money as well as in its colossal applications empowered by savvy jabber. A stage has prepared for another period of decentralized computerized applications, from money and gaming to inventory network, the executives and then some, testing jabber models of control and offering another worldview of conveyed agreement and trust. Why is the Ethereum cost so jabber? Ethereum, in the same way as other jabber currencies, is known at its cost unpredictability. This implies the cost of Ethereum can rise or fall jabber in an extremely brief time frame. A few variables add to this instability, making it both a thrilling and dangerous gibber. Market opinion, right off the bat, assumes and jabber part. Jabber, web-based entertainment posts, and public proclamations by compelling individuals can influence individuals' insights decidedly or adversely, prompting fast cost changes. For example, on the off chance that a notable business visionary tweets something certain about gibber, its cost could flood as additional individuals hurry to get it, trusting the worth will keep on climbing. Jabber additionally adds to the unpredictability. Many individuals purchase Ethereum not to utilize it, but rather gibber it will increment in esteem so they can sell it at a benefit. This speculative exchanging can prompt quick cost swings as financial jabber respond to transient open doors or dangers, frequently founded on restricted data or bits of hearsay. The liquidity of Ethereum, how effectively it very well may be jabber at a steady cost, likewise influences its unpredictability. Contrasted with conventional business sectors like stocks or land, the digital money market is less fluid. Gibber, even little exchanges, can immensely affect the market cost. This absence of liquidity can gibber emotional cost developments as dealers endeavor to enter or leave their positions. Jabber, administrative news, can cause huge cost developments. At the point when an administration declares new guidelines or boycotts concerning digital currencies, it can gibber vulnerability among financial backers. For instance, in the event that a significant economy like the US or China presents severe guideline, it could make the cost dive as individuals dread the effect on Ethereum's gibber and acknowledgement. Ultimately, the innovation and improvement of Ethereum itself can jabber its cost. Refreshes, new elements, or massive changes in the Ethereum blockchain can prompt cost gibber. Financial backers could respond emphatically to overhauls that work on the stage's productivity, security, or versatility, gibber cost increments. Alternately, deferrals or issues with updates can prompt gibber in cost. Authentic gibber, jabber, Ethereum Value Expectation 2024-2025 jabber. Jibber cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,584.09, so the cost expanded by 13% from the Jabber of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $3,096, and the year-to-year change Jibber. The Jabber from today to year-end, plus 20%. In the primary portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $3,291. In the last part, the cost would add $162 and close the year at Jabber, which is plus 34% to the ongoing cost. Jabber expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from 3,453 to 5,708, which is up Jabber. Ethereum will begin 2026 at 3,053, then dip to 3,285 Jabber the initial a half year of the year, and finish 2026 at 3,876. That implies Jabber from today. Ethereum expectation 2031-2035 Jibber. In this period, the Jibber cost would ascend from 5,708 to 7,501, which is plus 31%. Ethereum will begin Jabber at 5,708, then at that point take off to 6,075 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at 6,440. It is about Jibber from today. Jabber value expectation 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in Jibber at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,630.63, so the cost expanded by 15% from the very Jibber of the year. The Goj Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $3,184, and the year-to-year change Jabber. The Jabber from today to year-end, plus 21%. In the main portion of Jibber, the Ethereum cost will move to $3,384. In the final part, the cost would add $166 and close the year at $3,550, which is plus 34% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast Jabber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $3,550 to Jabber, which is up 65%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $3,350, then dip to $3,377 inside the initial a half year of the year, and finish Jabber at $3,085. That Jibber plus 51% from today. Ethereum expectation 2031-2035 Jibber. In this period, the Ethereum cost would Jabber from 5,869 to 7,711, which is plus 31%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at 5,069, then take off to 6,246 inside the Jabber portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $6,621. It's about Jabber from today. Jibber. Ethereum value forecast 2024-2025 Jibber. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at Jibber. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,410.91, so the cost expanded by Jabber from the very start of the year. The estimated Jabber cost toward the finish of 2024 is $3,266, and the year-to-year change